To our weather tonight, there's severe weather in western North Dakota and it's heading east.
Storm tracker meteorologist Jared Piepenberg is tracking it in his first look at our weather tonight.
Yeah, I've been kind of watching some storms develop here this afternoon. We've even had some in the valley, but the stronger storms have been just a little bit farther to our west. There's a severe thunderstorm watch for the pink shaded area. That's just meaning this is the area that most likely would have some of those stronger to severe storms. As I mentioned, a few storms across parts of the valley, mainly in northern Minnesota. These are having some frequent lightning, a little downpours with those thunderstorms as well. Not a whole lot happening up there. It is kind of just northeast of Thief River Falls around Warroad area and pushing eastward here this evening. The stronger thunderstorms are off toward our west. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings there. One down in southern parts of Emmons County and then in Stutzman County just down the road from Jamestown. These storms likely are producing a little bit of hail and some gusty winds as well. I believe we even had a report not too long ago with this storm that just kind of moved through the Medina area, now just on the doorstep of Jamestown. This one could potentially produce some fairly strong wind gusts. There is a little bit of hail likely with this, but it's on the smaller side. But Jamestown, if you are tuning in right now and just want to let this storm pass on by, it could have some pretty gusty winds. It'll be kind of moving into your area very shortly. Feeling like summer though in terms of our temperatures. We're hanging out here in the 80s for most of us, and this evening should still stay pretty mild here for a little while, but I'll have more of our forecasts here for the valley coming up.
Back to weather, and there are some rain chances in the area tonight and for our weekend too, Jared.
Yeah, it won't be a washout by any means, and even this evening some of us are just dealing with a little bit of rain here and there and even a couple thunderstorms, and I think this is just going to be over the next couple of hours. So if maybe some folks are just heading off to the lake, you're just tuning in here and just trying to catch one last minute look at weather before you move out there. This evening, dealing with a few showers and some thunder showers along the way. And then overnight tonight, I think this will kind of move on out. Looks like a pretty quiet Saturday, but still seeing a few of those showers kind of popping up around Kindred. We've had a couple showers move on through and kind of clip the Fargo-Moorhead area, mainly southern Fargo and western Fargo. Had to deal with that, or West Fargo. Thief River Falls, little thunderstorm right now, just kind of clipping your area, almost tracking down toward the south and west with a few other showers over northwestern Minnesota. Here's a view over Fargo-Moorhead. That little shower pushing off toward the east, kind of tapering off. We're at 77. It's been a little bit cloudier in the southern half of the valley. 68 for the dew point, so feeling that moisture. In Detroit Lakes, just a few showers around the area. We're at 73. South winds only at 3 miles per hour, sitting at 68. And in Grand Forks, a lot more sunshine with just a little buildup of some of the clouds up toward the north and east of town. 87 though, so much warmer up with the sunshine. 87 Grand Forks, 88 in Halleck, 85 Devil's Lake. So those of us who had some sunshine, warming up a little bit more so than the south, which we've had a little bit more cloud cover around Lakes Country, around Highway 10 to I-94 there. Dew points though in the 60s. They were a little bit higher for some of us yesterday, but still enough to feel some of that moisture around the area. And that'll be the case over the weekend. Let's run through Futurecast. So a few showers here for about the next few hours, so just kind of popping up. Might hear a couple of rumbles. There's 11 p.m. Here's 7 a.m. tomorrow. Most of your Saturdays looking to stay pretty dry for us. Maybe a couple spotty showers, but actually looks like most of us will have a very summer-like Saturday coming up here. By Sunday, later half of the day, here's Sunday at noon, later half of the day on Sunday, a front will drop on by. That's what's going to spark some showers and thunderstorms to close out the weekend. So what I'm just kind of saying there is most of your Saturday and about 2/3 of your Sunday looking to stay pretty dry. Tonight's overnight lows warm into the 60s there. It's just going to be a little bit on the humid side. Tomorrow, expect some 80s to near 90. I think Halleck will hit 90 for tomorrow, and some 90s off toward Bismarck as well as Minot.
All right, thank you very much, Jared. Up next, the tents about 7 o'clock tonight. The camp out goes until about 9 tomorrow morning. Are they going to stay dry?
I would say the next couple hours here are going to be the better shot at having any of this light rain. Just been continuing to see some of these showers pop up just south of Fargo. Really haven't seen much in terms of lightning, so good news there, but this might get a little damp here for a little while, and then I think that'll taper off. Looking toward Lakes Country, most of lakes between Highway 10 there and I-94 looking dry, although a few showers just east of town, just kind of south of Park Rapids. And watching one little thunderstorm. This is west of Thief River Falls, northeast of Grand Forks. If it stays on track, Grand Forks may get a little bit of rain here this evening, but tomorrow it's going to be summer-like. It's going to be a little humid. I think it'll be a solid one. Well, I think I will be out on the lake wetting a line.
You're going to need to up near 90.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jared.